Hey Julie, I'm going to make a video from the outside. I'll do that real quick because I know you want to look on the inside. Yes, they can repair that right there. But here's, you know what, actually, let me start from the front here and get the engine for you. I have it running right now, and I just ran it down the street and back, and it runs great. A little dirty. In there hearing it, it's running smooth. Got the fans on. There's that, and then more importantly, underneath, no fluids leaking. Let me show you the driver's area real quick. The floors are all in great shape. Right there. And the dash, I would say, is in excellent shape. As you can see, usually you get a lot of wear on the top of the steering wheel here. The steering wheel still looks excellent. There's that. Even comes with some of the, these are the owner's manuals on the vehicle and everything, so it's still intact. Rarely do we see those. And we've got an outlet there. Yeah, these are just your standard. There's one there, one over here. And what else can I show you here? Here's the tag on the bus. I can send you a picture of that if you need it. But yeah, driver step, this is all in excellent shape. Usually that gets all rubbed off. It's still black, looking good. And of course, here's that dent there. He's gonna figure it out. Let me show you the tires. Tire tread. Tire tread up front. Yeah, I'm just going to try to get everything I can. Coming around the back, of course, straight bumper. Probably a third of them, they don't have straight bumpers. Exhaust pipe. That's usually where the rust really starts to happen on the exhaust, but this one's in great shape. In the back here, emergency alarm working. Floors, great shape. Backs of the seats. The door here, all the hinges are in excellent shape, and the latch from inside there. Coming around. Oh, and more importantly, yeah, your exterior lights are LED and they're excellent condition. Coming around to the other side, there's those tires. Fronts, here, I'll show you those too. They're all pretty much the same. I can give you a tread depth if you need. Coming in the bus, entry looks pretty good. That right there, that's probably the only, other than that, it's just dirty. We were walking in and out of it. Fire extinguisher, but we do need to get you your fluid, bodily fluid, and first aid kit. You've got triangles there. Rear controller, rear AC. Oh, there's a little compartment up here. Electrical. All looks really good. I'll you compare that to one you have. Of course, this one I think is newer. Seats. Seats are all great shape. I'd say 10 out of 10. They're in great shape. Floors, you might have noticed the floors are in really good shape. There and there. There's a dry spot, or not dry. What is that? Oh, they mopped it. Somebody mopped it. That's a dirty mop mark. I thought it was. See, it wipes up. Yeah, looking on the inside here. It's a heater. Heater looks in great shape. And I think that just about covers everything. The ceilings, of course, looking great. We've got our lights. There's 2 here, 2 back there. So there's 4 in the passengers area. 4 lights. And yeah, there's the dash again. I mean, I can't tell you how impressed I am with the dash. It looks, the floor looks really good. Looks great. And let's see. Lastly, oh yeah, you've got your heater. You're probably aware of that. Tow. And last but not least, backup camera in the mirror. That works. Okay, I think that's it. Let me know if you want some detailed pictures on anything or more video. I'd be happy to get it for you. And yeah, more importantly, yeah, stock number B87498.